Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I got my hair to look the way it looks on the right using some natural hair bundles from Hot Braids. I got 20-inch, just one bundle. The hair is very pretty and soft. As I put the hair close to mine, I noticed mine is a little darker, so I decided to dye the hair darker before I wear it, and this is what I used. All I did is just dip it in hot black water and then it got darker. As you can see, the hair is thick from top to bottom. This is the pot that I use. I just pour the dye in there, pour hot water, and then dip the hair. It only take a few seconds and the hair got darker. Then I'll just wash the hair with shampoo and conditioner, and then when I dry it, I make sure that it's not bleeding, no dark color, so it's perfectly dyed. I wanted to be able to part it in the middle as well as pulling everything up in a ponytail, so that's why I did this braid pattern. Installing this hair is easy and simple. You either do one loop or two loops. I just settle for one because it just make it easier for me. So that's how I install the first one, and I keep doing it until I run out of hair. I had so much hair, I have some left over, so I had to find somewhere in my head to just pack the rest. Once again, the hair is from Hot Braids. It's kinky straight 20-inch, one full bundle, and it's 250 grams. So it was a lot of hair. And it is human hair. I was able to dye it darker so it can blend with my own hair. I am basically done here with just crocheting the hair. All I have to do now is just unbraid my leave out and then try to blend it. To blend it, all I did is just blow dry my own hair, at least so it can look straight. This is how the back look like, and I have enough hair when I pull it up to hide it. So I'll just unbraid my leave out and then use some heat. The blow dryer, I'll just blow dry it. I didn't want to flat iron my hair, so I just keep blow drying it till they all blend together, and it eventually blend. This is the final product. This is how I was able to blend the hair with my own hair. I used that blow dryer with that brush in it. Just brush everything out, and then I was able to pull it off. Thank you very much to Hot Braids for sending this hair. Again, it's kinky straight 20-inch, 250 gram of hair. It comes with the one full thick bundle. If you feel like the hair is like a 1B, my hair is a color 1, so I had to dye the hair to blend with mine. As you can see, I'm able to put it up in a ponytail, and I'm also able to wear it down. As far as weight, the hair is not heavy. It is super thick. You're gonna be wearing a lot of hair, but it's only 250 grams, so it's not heavy, but it's very full, and it doesn't shed. I run the hot brush through it, it doesn't shed, and the thread in the middle keeps the hair very secure. It doesn't shed when you run the brush through it or your comb. This is how it looks when I wear it down. To keep my hair from not turning curly, I'll just wrap it at night. I wrap the edges as well as the back, so I don't have to keep running that brush through it. So that's how I do it to keep my hair to blend like that, because I don't have a relaxer. If your hair is relaxed, you won't need to do too much for it to blend with this texture, because that texture mimic relaxed or permed black hair. Mine is natural, so I had to run that brush through mine for it to blend perfectly. Again, thank you very much to Hot Braids. I'll make sure I link the hair in the description box, and I'll see you on my next video.